What's up, guys? So today we're going to look at a video that was actually made by my cell phone, so it might seem a little bit weird, but I've been an aircraft owner for over 10 years now, and the video we're going to look at is of the first airplane I ever owned, which was a Maule. I had that plane for probably 8 or 9 years, and it's the plane I got my private and instrument in and got to fly across the country on my undergraduate thesis. So there's a lot of good memories in that plane, and there won't be any audio as far as like me discussing any of the pictures on there. It's just a memoir of that plane, and it's a beautiful video. And if you're an aircraft owner, just looking at these pictures will probably remind you of some of the adventures you've had with your aircraft, and if you're not, I'm sure you'll find it interesting as well. The reason I'm standing here in front of this Cessna 140 is I have had this plane for a few years now, but I really haven't had time to start the remodel on it. So it's a 1947 model Cessna 140, and I would like to, this coming summer, start taking some stuff apart and repairing it and getting it back into an airworthy condition. So I bought it for a project plane, just really haven't had time to start any projects with it. And so I'm hoping this summer to get to work on this, get this thing back airborne by the end of the summer. And I hope you guys stick around because we'll be showing that. But right now, let's take a look at this video of my 1995 Maule MX-7 160. Thanks.